Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm making a Rabo de Galo. I know that is not how it's meant to be pronounced. I tried looking into it. There was so many different variations. It's a Portuguese couple of words, so therefore, Portuguese phrase. So anyone that is from Brazil, anyone that speaks Portuguese, feel free to text me on Instagram or send me a DM on Instagram with the actual correct pronunciation. I mispronounce many words on the channel. You guys know that, I know that. I'm aware that this is wrong, so please inform me so I can learn. This cocktail is extremely popular over in Brazil. I think it's like cocktail number 2. Cynar is incredibly popular over there. It's incredibly cheap as well. And I think from what I've read, this cocktail originated from the Cinzano sweet vermouth production facility. They tried to introduce their sweet vermouth to the Brazilian community and they didn't like it. Well, not so much they didn't like it, but they drank a lot of cachaça over there. So this cocktail was derived from that, and they blended the two, making cachaça with sweet vermouth. Therefore, this cocktail came about. So the proportions are 2/3 cachaça and 1/3 sweet vermouth. So I'm not using Cinzano, I'm using Calpano Antica. And then over time, it's kind of evolved. There's many different recipes depending on the region, the bar, but that's the general ratio, 2/3 cachaça to 1/3 sweet vermouth. But a lot of places split the sweet vermouth to sweet vermouth and Cynar. Let me know if you're Brazilian. Give me a little bit of feedback if that's how you make it in your region or your local bar. That's how it gets served. But let's get on to the drink. And thank you to David for buying the back bar. So we've got 60 ml, 2 ounces of cachaça. And likewise, do you prefer it with an aged cachaça or let me know. And thanks to Chris, big contributor into the Steve the Bartender Cocktail Crew Facebook group, which I'll link to in the description. So 15 ml, half an ounce. If you want, you could put this into a mixing glass, stir it down over ice, and just serving it up straight into the glass. And traditionally, I believe it was served as a shot, or at least in a shot glass. And part of a marketing campaign, they actually designed specific glasses with little lines on it, so you could just pour it straight in the glass without having to measure it. So I'm serving it straight into the glass, giving it a quick stir and then expressing some orange oils over the top. I've heard lime goes really well. Probably not grapefruit, because I don't think grapefruit is readily available over in Brazil, from what I've read. So there you have a Rabo de Galo, or however you pronounce it. Cheers. Kind of get the vegetal notes from the cachaça. So cachaça is made from fresh pressed cane juice. Ooh. Kind of get the vegetal cola-like flavors from the Cynar, even though you've only got this like small portion. Give a little bit more of a stir. Hopefully some more of those aromatics come out now that there's a little bit more dilution. I don't drink a lot of cachaça, so I think that's that. I'm quite intrigued by that. I don't know how else to describe it, like light molasses, vegetal kind of note. I enjoy this. It's unique, it's different because I don't drink a lot of it. I think this would be a very good way to introduce someone to cachaça, someone that hasn't tried it before. Let me know, give me some feedback in the comments below. If you've tried this, if you enjoy it, if I'm completely wrong. And I look forward to seeing you for another cocktail video. Cheers.